What you say? You want some liver?
No, I don't eat liver, but it don't smell bad.
But why you don't eat? Why you don't eat liver? You think this is a game? If you know to handle the bandle. Welcome back to today's video, guys, and in today's video we're gonna do the chicken liver, and we have it alongside the callaloo, and we're gonna have it served with boiled green banana, guys. Perfect for breakfast, Jamaican authentic breakfast. So stay tuned while I have it washed and cleaned up. Alright guys, now I had my vinegar. I'm gonna go ahead and add some to the liver, which I already removed it from the package. And guys, I placed my liver in a drain basket, guys. And then I'm gonna go ahead with the cleaning process. And now I need my knife. As you can see, guys, I'm gonna just dice them because those are too big. And when you clean your liver, guy, you look for the strings. Like for this, you cut it right in the middle. It's an iron dinner tonight, guys, and you know the liver, that's a lot of iron. So all you guys that need iron, this is a good meal for both of you, for everyone. Oh, they put a heart in it. See that, guys? So I'm put that to the side because I'm doing direct liver. Nice meal for breakfast, guys, to start off your morning. I don't know how a lot of you guys make your liver, but this how I make mine. And I'm using 2 pounds of liver, guys. And remember, you could use lime juice for the cleaning. I love my chicken liver. Guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed as yet, go ahead and press that subscribe button. Get my videos as soon as I post them, guys. Alright guys, now we have our liver all cleaned with the vinegar. We're going to go ahead and add our salt. And we're going to use 1 teaspoon salt. And then we're going to add the chicken seasoning. We're going to use a tablespoon chicken seasoning. And we're using ½ teaspoon of the rosemary. And now we have the paprika. And then we have some black pepper. Now we're going to go ahead with the garlic powder. We're going to use 2 tablespoons. And then for the cumin, we're going to use ½ teaspoon. You don't have to use the cumin, it's optional. So I'm going to go ahead and have it all mixed together. Alright guys, I'm having it all mixed in. As you can see, that's the amount of seasoning you want to have on it, and you want to make sure it's properly seasoned. So now I'm gonna have it marinating for 30 minutes, so stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, I already have all my natural seasoning wash and clean up, so I'm gonna go ahead and have them chopped. So I'm gonna use 1 whole onion, guys. And that's 1 onion already cut, guys. So now I have my yellow pepper, and that's the bell pepper. Just making thin strips. Alright, now I have my green pepper. Now I have my red pepper. As you can see, guys, I cut the red pepper different sizes because I really want them to be standing out. So now I'm going to do my carrot just like this, guys. I'm going to just chop down the line. Now I have my scallion. As you can see, guys, I have my red pepper, my garlic, and my thyme. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, as you can see, now it passed the 30 minutes. So now I'm going to get it in the frying pan and get it going for cooking. It's been 30 minutes for marination already. So stay tuned guys while I get it in the frying pan. I'm adding my oil guys, not a lot because I don't need that much guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add my garlic. I'm adding 5 pegs of garlic. And then I'm gonna add quarter hot pepper. And that's for the oil guys. Remember we cooking the liver and you want to make sure you have all that gaminess out of it with the pepper and the garlic. And with the cumin, it should take it away guys. So stay tuned. Alright guys, you want to go ahead and start adding your liver. And this is how I add mine guys. Like I do it piece by piece. I don't let it all smoosh out. Trying to get that little crispiness, not too much, because you know it's liver guys. Alright guys, as you see we're gonna let it like have that little hardness on the outside. So I ain't gonna let the pepper cook right through it. You gotta know because we're cooking for everyone guys. Checking guys, this where you want to go ahead and have them turn because you already have them based on the first side. Ooh. If you smell that with the cumin guys, if you don't have a bottle, go and get a bottle of the cumin guys. Bringing you guys on to some extra new spices. As you can see the texture guys, that's the texture I'm working for. Just like that. That flavor, that aroma is giving off. With the rosemary. Ooh. You're not smelling no gaminess guys. As you know, a lot of people dislike the liver because of the gaminess, but if you know how to handle the bundle, you know how to get them to love it. See that guys, the gravy's coming in, so stay tuned guys. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, you know what to do. Just click that subscribe button and the notification bell guys. What do you say, you want some liver?
No, I don't eat liver, but it don't smell bad.
But why you don't eat liver?
The gaminess.
The gaminess?
But it don't smell gamey. You know, like how you cook the liver and normally you cook it and you can smell the gaminess in the air. This don't smell like that. It smells like it's seasoned chicken.
You think this is a game? And guys, I did go ahead and make some green banana, boiled green banana with my liver, and you know, delicious breakfast. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and remove these and place in my bowl. As you can see, I have a brand new bowl because these are the texture you want to have it guys, because that's how I'm making it for you guys, because you guys are gonna love it this way. I know you guys like to put it in the frying pan, pour it out, cover it up, get that gravy from it, the whole 9 yards. As you see, the garlic is not being burnt, and that's a good thing because we need that. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Epic guys, I just add a piece of this. Guys, ain't no game. It's not gaming. It's not a game. Stay tuned while I add the callaloo. It tastes nicer than when me usually make it. Alright guys, you could add extra seasoning if needed, but once it's like this guys, you have it sitting for 10 minutes on low heat. So stay tuned guys, and I'll see you when it's finished. Alright guys, that's the finished product of the liver. As you can see, perfectly executed with the color combination, spectacular. And I know the taste is excellent, super. So I want to go ahead and have it plated guys, so you guys could see the full preview of a complete fully iron nutritional dish. So I'm gonna go ahead and have it plated, guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna go and add my callaloo stewed liver. See that, guys? Make sure I get enough of that liver. And then you need the gravy for the banana. Alright guys, as you can see, the complete dish, which is the finished product of my callaloo stewed liver with green bananas, guys. And you know this is a signature meal for me, guys. On a Christmas morning you want to have that, and it's perfect for breakfast, guys. And it's a good meal on your way to work. It will surely keep you fit throughout the whole day, guys. Fully iron. That's lovely. Alright guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And guys, try my menu. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Peace out.
In the night where thoughts collide, I feel your presence by my side. A melody that calls my name.